Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new video. Today we are painting together a gouache on a black paper in my sketchbook. I wanted to try out to paint on black paper for a long time, and this year for Inktober I finally tried it. This painting is one of the illustrations that I made for the Inktober. I'm using my A4 black paper Enamel sketchbook. The pages are 250 grams per square meter, so it's working really well with gouache and paintings. I did a sketch and I'm starting to paint the layers of white. The most difficult thing with the black paper is to work with light colors. If they are not opaque enough, the black will be visible through the colors and it will make them less saturated and dull. I use a quick sketch on the side to be able to test quickly some colors and compositions. And when I'm satisfied with the color choices, I'm applying them on the main painting. For this painting, I'm going for a simple color palette, including some pink, yellow, orange, and shades of purple. Having a simple color palette is always helping me to focus on the shapes and composition. I also like the minimalist paintings, and I like to focus on some simple shapes. On this series of paintings, I decided to not have any lining, so the shapes have to be well defined by themselves. And it's also really important to have really contrasted color to create a clear separation where it's needed. In the ears, for example, the color contrasts are really close, but it's intended this way and it's helping me to create a nice gradient. I'm using a light purple to do the smoke under the mask. Once all the colors are painted, I'm going back on the white to correct some mistakes that I made and to add another layer of white where it's needed. And there is the result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I already drawn several animal masks, but this one is one of my favorites so far. I love the contrast of the flashy colors on black paper. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!